Okay, good morning guys. It's been a little while, but we're doing some more stuff to Docky today. Mainly, you have a good look here. I'm hoping the camera's picking up, but we've got some wear marks. I may have mentioned this before in a previous video. We've got one here and it's running up here across here. And this is from a license plate frame, which was on here, and it was just banging on it and vibrating, and it's just worn it off. I tried to polish, but it's gone through down into the almost the primer, I guess, through the clear coat, so there's not much you can do about it. It has to be resprayed, which is what we're doing today. So Smart Paintworx, you've seen my videos with them before. They've done great work, so they're going to come in today and do this up for me. So I've got to take this off and get it ready for them, and hopefully if they let me film it, I'll show you how it goes. Okay, it's been a little while because I had to replace the battery on the GoPro. That died, then the phone died, then I broke the new phone, and then I broke the headphones. So it's been an expensive couple of months. I've had to move things around financially there. And next will be the brakes. So we'll be doing that one next. That'll be up at Autolink. So yeah, we'll get back to you and we'll show you how it looks after it's done. Cheers guys. Alrighty guys, we've got Smart Paintworx here. You remember them from the last video that I did as well. This is their phone number in case you need them. And remember, they do scratches, dents, small plastic repairs, wheel repairs. So please check them out if you're in Adelaide. Okay, the fella's a little bit shy today, so we're just going to catch up with him when he's done, and then we'll just do a recap when it's all finished. Alright guys, appreciate it. Okay guys, Brody's just finished up for me. He's done a great job. Just going to let that dry, and I'll pop the license plate back on. I'd like to leave it for about 48 hours. He said I could use it sooner than that, but you'd like to let the paint harden. It's really good weather right now too, so it shouldn't be a problem. So I'll do that and we'll all be done. So, yeah, so no more license plate marks. That's a good feeling there. I'm really happy. Also cleaned up where I debadged as well, which was nice, because there was a slight ghost on certain areas when the sun was shining on it. It just wouldn't polish out properly. So yeah, that's all taken care of. So if you need a Smart Paintworx, please give them a contact. Great people. Thanks to Joe too. Alright guys, so yeah, the next video will be brakes. I've got it all ready. I've just got to go up, get the quote and get it settled. So yeah, we'll see you soon. Thanks people. Okay, just before we sign off, I forgot to show you what it looks like with the license plate back on. You can see there, no marks. Looks quite nice. Again, I'm going to have to get the whole car resprayed. We've got tiny little scratches like this, but that's just everyday driving wear obviously, because the car is a daily. But I'd like to get the whole thing done by PPG again. Hopefully I can get them as a sponsor again. But yeah, it's looking nice. Obviously no one's going to notice that, but that's the whole point. You want it to just look normal. So yeah, it's basically the whole back done. Everything else done. There's no major scratches to be addressed or anything like that, except for the tiny little rock chips. It's all done. So the rest is yeah, getting back to all the parts that I've still got left to do and ones to come. Okay guys, thank you. And as I said before in one of the other segments here, I'll go down and get the quote for the brakes and we'll get that sorted. I'm really looking forward to that one. Cheers guys. See you in the next one.